We're thrilled to be hosting our 4th annual Girl-Powered event at Discovery Children's Museum. Thanks to the generous support of Google, these future changemakers are exploring robotics, drones, coding, and hands-on STEM challenges to girls across the Southern Nevada Valley. The Girl-Powered initiative aims to empower young girls to explore STEM learning. Currently, women make up only 30% of the STEM workforce. So we're here today and every day to bridge the gap and offer early exposure to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Events like Girl Powered invites girls of all ages to become excited about the world of STEM education. I know with myself, growing up, I always took an interest in science, especially the health sciences. So I get really excited participating in this event.
I wanted to show them something different, that they can do something outside of the box. So hearing about the program, I definitely felt like they would be a good fit for it.
Cool.
I think programs like STEM are important for young girls because it helps them to see that they can be things that they never imagined. So it helps them to think big and do bigger things. So I feel like that increases their knowledge also. I feel that inclusion and representation in STEM is important because it allows the girls to see that they can see themselves in that role and that they can be anything that they want to be.
I think it impacts their confidence learning about STEM programs at an early age because it helps them learn that it's not only for a specific gender, it's very gender neutral and anyone can do it in this program, anyone can succeed within this program.
It's important to introduce girls to STEAM at a young age so there's no barriers to what they can do in life. It allows them to explore all areas of careers that they could have later in life, and it's really important for them to see role models, to see that others can do all the things later in life. I think it's important that girls see other girls and women that can both be scientists and mothers, because I think that's something that's limited in today's world.
Google makes it possible for Discovery to offer these transformative experiences to more girls across Southern Nevada. Together, we're nurturing the next generation of innovators right here in our community.